God created our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. Just think, a month without sunlight, a single day without water, 1 minute without air. Can we survive? No, everything will end if nature goes wrong against us. Today, human has crossed all its limits by going against the environment, nature, killing wild animal and doing all harms to the environment. And now, environment has started taking its revenge. We can see so many natural disasters like flood, tsunamis, earthquake, storms like Amphan, Ayla, melting of glaciers, global warming, pollutions, landslides, meteorites coming toward the earth, virus pandemics, and many more things like that. So, time has come to say sorry to the environment. Otherwise, our next generation will pay the cost of it by their life, and they will only blame us for that. So, now it's time to take part and teach our tinders to show love to their mother nature. Now, it is the responsibility of the parents, teachers, and every school to develop the feelings of love in the heart of their child toward the environment. Teach them how to make this environment more beautiful. Not only that, we should tell them about their responsibility to be a good human being and save the humanity. Students are the pillar who can resist all the evil force of nature by their good work and love for nature, by planting trees, loving each and every creation of the God, and doing all possible things to save humanity. So, students, it's all up to you. Love the nature. You can only change the world. Some students have already taken the initiative. So, join your hand to breathe fresh in future and enjoy all the gift of nature. If we all, along with our future generation, work hard to protect our environment, then a happy and blissful future is waiting for us. क्योंकि नेचर है तो फ्यूचर है. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with us.